Now we are going to create form for add mark details. To add mark details, we have to add one more tab page. Right click, insert page after the current page. Change the tab name to marks. Current tab text to mark. Now we have to add the add mark details and edit mark details in the same page. So add a group box. Change the text of the group box. Add mark details. Go to the text, title, add mark details, and I want a heading. Copy this to Ctrl C or right click, copy the mark page, paste it. Change the text, add mark details. Enter mark details. Save the form. Registration number, go to the LD student. I am just going to copy this. Ctrl C or right click, copy and paste it. Registration number. Next one is exam name. Copy any text box, Ctrl C, copy, paste. Change the text, exam name, exam name, and language mark. Going to add simply language mark. Copy this and paste. Select this text box and change the text to language. Again, copy and paste. English, paste. Max, paste. Science, paste. Social science. Registration number, exam name, language, English. Next one is English. Change the text. English, Max, Maths, Science, Social. Now we have to add a button to save details. Select any form, copy the button and paste the button here. Right click and paste. save marks, change the text, save mark details. Now we have created add mark details form. Now we are going to create edit or delete marks form in the next video. Thank you for watching.